Hey, this is Summer, Mommy Points from TPG Family, and today we are testing out the kids' away luggage. We're gonna see what's it like, what's it made of, how tough is it, and is it something that might be worth adding to your family's travel closet? So who's the Away kids bag for? Well, obviously it's for kids who travel. Away says that it's to last a childhood and beyond. In my test, I think it's perfect for kids who are maybe 3-ish and ready to carry their own bag, to those who are probably 6 or 7. Okay, let's open it up. It comes shipped in its own cute little white bag, which is kind of a tight squeeze. So the kids' away luggage comes in a lot of different colors. We picked navy for my daughter and for our trial here, but it also has pink and red and white and several other colors. But I will say, these are not bright kid colors. They're like adult versions of colors, which might be good for a slightly older kid, but I think my younger daughter was a little disappointed the blue wasn't like brilliant blue. Got the handle that goes up and down. You also have 360-degree spinning wheels, which makes it really easy to use and as high quality as the adult version. But the coolest feature and why you might want this bag is because of the battery. If you have charged this battery fully, then you can put your kids' devices in there, and it says that you can charge more than one tablet and you can charge an iPhone up to 5 times on one fully charged battery. The dimensions on the kids' away luggage is 18 by 12 by 9. For comparison, the adult carry-on is 21 by 13 by 9. So the kid version is a few inches smaller. It's also 1.6 pounds lighter. The regular price on the kid away luggage is $195, while the adult version is $225. So there's not a huge savings. You're gonna wanna just pick the size that's right for you. So the kids' away luggage does have a TSA lock, and it's set to all zeros when you get it. To open, you'll have to press the lock inward, which will release the zippers. Then you can open it up. Inside, it's got tons of really cool colors, as well as a bunch of different pockets and zippers. One feature I really love is this hidden bag on the side. So if you have something that's super dirty and needs to be kept away from everything, or even if you just have small toys or something that you want to keep all in one place, that would work for that too. Also in here is where you're going to find the instruction book and the all-important battery charger. So it may weigh only 6 pounds and you can hold it with one finger if you wanted to, but they say it's unbreakable. The posted terms say it's made of unbreakable polycarbonate. Basically what that means is it should hold up to the wear and tear that your kids will probably put on it when you're traveling. When Away said this luggage was unbreakable, you know we had to test that. My family's overall impressions on the kids' away luggage are obviously it's an investment. Not every family needs a $200 piece of luggage. But we travel a lot. We're on the road every single month, and being able to charge devices from it and have the kids feel like grown-ups with grown-up luggage that they take ownership of has real value for me. I had both my 9-year-old and 3-year-old test it, and frankly, it was really too small for the 9-year-old. She doesn't need a bag that small. She's almost 5 feet tall. But for my 3-year-old, this is an amazing first piece of real luggage for her. We might still have to carry it for her sometimes, so factor that in. Don't give your kid a piece of luggage before they're ready to pull it themselves. But at 3, almost 4, she's about ready to start taking that on some trips, and I think the kids' away luggage is gonna be her luggage going forward.